I'm actually going to an event. I used to do a lot of events, from baby showers to concerts to dinners and stuff. But today is different. I'm gonna head to a motor show, a gathering of car enthusiasts. Plenty of cars, plenty of colors, plenty of styles. But I'm gonna head down there and bring my small bike and park it around them. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we've reached the event place, but apparently we can't bring our bikes into the event space. The event is for cars, so me and my friend here, Aman.
Hello.
So we're stuck here parking our motorbikes at the motorcycle area. But before we go to the event, we'll just show our motorbikes. So this is the little brother parking next to the big brother.
Every waking moment of blurring, I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of blurring, I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I return. Yeah. Sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another mission. They gotta make that incredible decision to check along and surface in light. Yeah, we all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what your will beloved, cause this is our purpose in life. Yeah, so then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the good times and laughs that I shared.
Sekarang kita jual. Ini dia.
Baik, Bolan.
Tuan Alum. Ini dia owner kereta kita.
Bagus.
First time jumpa kau face to face.
Wah, abang nampak macam saya ingat episode tadi.
Ya ke? Selalu tengok kat YouTube je. First time. Terima kasih banyak-banyak kerana join under Motor Maniac juga.
Boleh. No problem.
Kita boleh berkolaborasi lagi banyak.
Yang penting enjoy.
Yang penting enjoy.
Rantai,
Rantai. Pantas.
Mantul.
We'll edit this and put together some of the cars we've seen today. And all in all, a good day. Had a burger, saw some cars, testing cars. Our first video together, our first vlog together. No lah, we've done a few. Just this one is the rare one. We haven't done one for a long time. So, alright. So we'll see you in the next video.